Hello, my name is Vinay. I am from Hyderabad. I have graduated from Shreyas Institute of Engineering and Technology with the CGPA of 6.2. I am from computer science background. So after completing my graduation, I have very less skills about the coding. I have that skills are not enough to crack any job or any interview. So my friend referred me about the JSpiders Punjagutta. Then I joined JSpiders Punjagutta on August 12th. So after joining JSpiders Punjagutta, Mr. Vivek sir trained me in core Java. So the training helped me a lot to gain good knowledge in Java. He trained me from scratch to expert, where I learned from basics. Then I am in expert level. So these skills help me gain knowledge, and I got placed in CPAL Corp with 3.5 LPA. And I would like to thank Ningaraj sir and Prashant sir and HRs who helped me a lot to get a requirement. Actually, I have applied 15 to 16 interviews, and I have failed in all the interviews, and 17th interview helped me a lot. I got job in the 17th interview. Thanks JSpider for giving this opportunity. Thank you.